Hello everyone, here is Tubik team on air, and you are listening to the podcasts about design in all its aspects. Thanks for being with us. This episode continues the series of talks about user-friendly design for business goals. In the previous issue, we discussed the frequently used business abbreviations and work styles in design. Today we add to them a talk devoted to sales terms having impact on design process and solutions. Modern design has multiple faces, sides, and directions. Some of them are more artistic, while the others are deeper concentrated on profits and goals. However, whatever is the way it goes, design is a goal-oriented and problem-solving activity, applying art to serve people. One of the most practical fields is design for e-commerce. Be it a website, mobile application, branding or advertising materials, designers work within various limitations, built by particular product or service features, target audience, marketing and promotion strategy, business goals, budget and investment plan, etc. Design becomes a powerful tool when it's used properly. For that, a designer needs to know the basics of business and economy, because the goal of creative process in this case is design raising money and built on business methods. Moreover, quite often designers creating e-commerce platforms and products work in team with marketing specialists, advertisers, researchers, analysts, and psychologists, all of whom share a purpose of increasing the level of profit brought by the final product. So, today's episode is focused on basic terms used in the domain of economics and business strategy, mostly concentrated on sales in their broad understanding. The first term to discuss is conversion. Initially, in terms of e-commerce, conversion is the index showing how many visitors moved to the end of the way they were offered actually buying a product. So, for e-commerce, conversion transforms visitors or users into buyers. Today, e-commerce uses a wide range of techniques, so in terms of web or app platforms, the meaning of conversion also gets broader. In modern conditions, comprehensive and numerous needs, which users are able to fulfill with online resources and digital products, conversion is the rate of cases when visitors did the action they were called to. And that can be not only buying something. For example, for landing pages which are recognized as one of strong tools for e-marketing and e-trade, conversion can be also fixed in case of moving to direct use of a product, subscription, transition to the other page, downloading an app or a file, providing some information, answering the question in the survey, starting free or discounted trial use of a product, browsing a library, reading more detailed description of the product or service, etc. Therefore, conversion for a web page or app screen can mean different actions that correspond to sales or marketing strategy of the particular business. Conversion means that your page transforms passive users into active. They don't just observe the information given to them, but also do the action which is offered by this page. So, it is one of the most important indices of the web page or app screen efficiency. For designers, this factor means that if they create design concentrated on conversion rates by a positive user experience, their work will result in website or app bringing profit both for users and business. The next important term to review is sales funnel. Sales funnel, or in other words purchase funnel, is a technique which is deeply customer-focused and based on the gradual involvement of a customer into the process that potentially gets finalized with the act of actual purchase. When this technique is applied, the customer moves through several stages of involvement, providing him or her with necessary information about the product and benefits persuading to make a purchase. Basic sales funnel includes 6 following stages. Stage 1, Introduction. User gets the initial information about the product, its brand name and nature. In other words, user learns that the product or service exists on the market. Stage 2. Education. User is provided with more detailed information about the features and benefits of the product or service that can potentially interest them and solve their problems. Stage 3. Evaluation. User gets the chance to compare the offer with its competitors and obtain the information about USP, or unique selling points, of the offered product or service. Stage 4. Decision. User gets final arguments engaging him or her to make a decision. It can be short summing up about core benefits of the offer, data about additional bonuses or special offers, engaging call to actions and explanations of purchase process. Stage 5. Purchase. User makes a decision and takes the ability to make a purchase. The sale is done. And Stage 6. Retaining. User gets the opportunity to leave feedback, obtain additional contacts supporting the offer, subscribes to updates, gets the chance to repeat the purchase easily if desired. In terms of e-commerce, sales funnel is a highly effective commercial technique supported with the diversity of functions digital products can offer. Awareness of the principles of sales funnel leads to customer-centric, informative, and engaging design solutions. Sales funnels can be either fully represented on the website or landing page, as well as in mobile application, or from outer source. For example, social media taking over the mission of awareness and interest and directing engaged traffic to the platform enabling the product. In addition, sales funnel stages, thought out and applied properly, can work as a sort of filters, letting quickly inform users about the product or service, and move to the next stage those who are potentially more interested, while saving time and effort for those who are looking for something other. However, sales funnel designed carelessly can play the opposite role. It can confuse users who are potential buyers and turn them out of the website or app without taking a chance to know proper information about the offer. Sales funnel should be applied and designed on the basis of thorough research of the target audience and market segment. Moreover, it should be carefully tested from the very start of its implementation to measure if all the stages work efficiently. Practice proves that even minor design alteration can bring big changes in conversion rates. Another term to think about is sales channel. Sales channels are the ways through which the potential customers come to the point of e-commerce, be it a website or a mobile application with which they can realize the actual purchase. Designing for e-commerce, it is important to take into account maximum of the possible sales channels, which are really numerous on the internet, from social networks to specialized forums, influencers' reviews, and tailor-made advertising campaigns. Researching and understanding those channels gives broader prospects to the actual point of sale which you are designing for. There are several vital aspects to remember about. Sales channels should be initially concentrated on the target audience. There is always the place and time to broaden the perspective as soon as core target audience is involved. However, the attempts to sell for all and design for everyone from the launch can bring to waste of effort, time, and money spent on design and promotion. Move gradually and measure the efficiency of design solutions at every step. Sales channels will work effectively from initial awareness stage if they witness strong connection to general brand identity. That is the reason to develop guidelines for online sources in brand book, considering all the details of visual presentation and mission statement. Consistency is a powerful tool for both design and marketing. Sales channels should direct traffic to the places which enable users to quickly get informed and make the actions they come for. For example, If the post in Facebook invites users to participate in a summer sale, they should be directed right on the landing page of this sale, not to the home page of the website. The mentioned factors, thought out at this stage of UX design solutions, are able to make a good impact on conversion and sales rates. One more term from sales is niche. In business, niche means the concentration of the offer on specific needs, wishes, and problems of a specific target audience. Niche market is a specialized market segment, which is aimed at specific market needs, with a close view on its demography, education level, level of income, purchase abilities, etc. For example, when one company produces software generally used in creating and editing textual materials for broad target audience, while the other is adapted for specific needs of copywriters and editors, like grammar checking, plagiarism analysis, synonyms, prompts, etc., the latter one presents the niche business. Designing for a niche market and niche product, it's important to learn all the details about the target audience, as it is going to be quite specific and more details are usually influencing the process of design and marketing. Applying psychology of color, copy targeted at potential clients, deep analysis of their needs, and providing efficient layout, easy transitions, clear data presentation, and aesthetic features that suit this particular audience is a good way to high profit. In addition, creative ways to emphasize specific nature of the product or service by means of design, such as branding and original UI solutions, can help the product to stand out of the crowd and stay competitive. The set of business terms and their definitions given above builds the bridge between business strategies and designs, able to efficiently support them. However, it's very easy to get overwhelmed with all those techniques and forget the first and most important thing. There are no any sophisticated design solutions, marketing techniques, and any sort of magic which will sell the bad product for a long time. Surely, there can be some effect, but it will never retain users. Positive experience of interaction with the website will not overcome bad experience of interaction with low-quality product or service. The offer is the key. Design is an actionable and helpful tool on every stage of launching, presenting, and promoting the product, informing users about it and selling it in the fast and easy way. Nevertheless, if the product is of poor quality, successful design of e-commerce platform isn't going to make it better. Think about the product and its user first. Only then design will give it the chance to beam at full. If you want to learn more about various aspects of design for business and see a variety of practical cases, welcome to read our free book, which you can find at www.tubikstudio.com. Don't miss the next episode, which will be devoted to the phenomenon of target audience and diverse types of targeting in design perspective. Stay tuned, and thanks for being with us.